While there are inherent risks involved in utilizing these methods, the potential rewards they offer can be incredibly lucrative and emerge as unforeseen sources of wealth. Without further delay, let's delve into the intriguing world of unconventional methods to attain wealth. Today's video will explore various eccentric ways for achieving financial success. Let's kick things off and explore these unusual paths to riches. 1. Virtual real estate. In online gaming environments such as Decentraland or the Sandbox, a popular trend involves the exchange of virtual assets, where players buy and sell digital properties to enhance their gameplay experience or generate profits. This practice has created a dynamic marketplace within these virtual worlds, adding a new layer of excitement and economic activity to the online gaming community. 2. Unusual collectibles. When it comes to investments, considering unique collectibles such as vintage toys, rare comic books, or even unconventional items like celebrity hair or vintage packaging can be a fascinating avenue to explore. These unusual items often have a niche market that can provide a lucrative return on investment over time. 3. Renting out unused space. You can consider repurposing underutilized areas in your home, like the garage, attic, or a spare closet, by transforming them into versatile rental spaces, either for storage purposes or to create a cozy, tiny living area that can be rented out to those in need of extra space for various needs or living arrangements. 4. Digital assets. Exploring the emerging trend of NFTs involves the process of minting unique tokens representing various forms of creativity, such as artwork, music, and digital collectibles, which can be traded and acquired by individuals regardless of their artistic background or expertise in creating digital assets. 5. Beekeeping. Starting a small-scale beekeeping operation entails setting up beehives, cultivating a nurturing environment for the bees to thrive, and carefully tending to them to ensure the production of high-quality honey and beeswax products for sale. It necessitates dedication, knowledge of beekeeping practices, and a passion for sustainable agriculture and bee conservation. 6. Pet influencer. One innovative approach to generating income from social media involves setting up dedicated accounts for pets and leveraging sponsorships as well as merchandise sales. By curating engaging content focused on these furry friends, it is possible to build a loyal following and attract brands seeking promotional opportunities through collaborations and product endorsements. 7. Mystery shopping. As a mystery shopper, you have the exciting opportunity to earn money by visiting various stores and restaurants, providing valuable feedback on customer service and product quality. In some cases, you may also receive reimbursement for any purchases made during your assessments, adding an extra perk to this unique job. 8. Online courses for unusual skills. Teaching niche subjects such as the art of juggling or culinary skills to create delicious meals using only 5 simple ingredients can be an engaging and rewarding experience for both the instructor and the learners. The process of imparting these specialized skills requires patience, creativity, and effective communication methods to ensure that the students grasp the concepts and techniques thoroughly. 9. Flipping domain names. Purchasing domain names that are anticipated to grow in popularity and reselling them at a higher price can be a lucrative venture in the digital marketplace. Identifying trending keywords or niches and investing in corresponding domains could potentially yield substantial returns when strategically marketed to interested buyers. 10. Cryptocurrency mining. Setting up a mining rig to earn cryptocurrencies can be a rewarding endeavor. despite the initial need for both financial investment and technical expertise. This process involves acquiring specific hardware components, configuring software settings, and understanding the intricacies of blockchain technology. While the setup phase may require planning and resources, the potential benefits of mining cryptocurrencies are vast and can lead to significant returns over time. Exploring unconventional methods in pursuit of success always involves an element of risk. Yet it's this very risk that harbors the potential to unveil unforeseen wealth beyond one's wildest dreams. Therefore, embracing these risky methods with an open mind could pave the way for a future filled with unexpected riches and unlimited possibilities. Do you know of any other ways to earn money? What topic do you want to discuss in the next video? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you never miss an update.